Another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on autumn. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope niraiti molweni guys. I hope you're good. If you're coming across this page for the first time, my name is Mihle. I'm also known as Mimi. The full name is Mihle Mimi Chakla, and that is the name that you should be subscribed to. Okay, to my day ones, my sweethearts, my sweethearts, Kesana, thank you so much for coming back to yet another vlog. I love and appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for choosing me over and over again. It is truly appreciated right here, Kesana. Guys, we're traveling to the Eastern Cape today. I'm so excited. I haven't done packing, right? And got Bagisha, but we're gonna go to Pick n Pay Kala to get some snacks for the road, and then I also don't have a toiletry, so I'm gonna try and find that as well. 6:30, so I could lie down in Cape. So let's go between.
Pasamilo sa sukan bisa Magdwa wasulega Kulung-kulung umile Upo asifanelele Tina so mabili Masigunya siya chabula Sejabula sono abile siatandana pasamilo sotukan isa kodwa usulega Sifanelele Tina Sohili Masiku Siya Chabula Si Chabula Okay
Our very first stop, I don't know where we are. Yeah, we are at Robertson Shell Garage, and we are on our very first break. We just peeped. We're gonna get something to eat now. I don't know if we can.
Second stop ngoko ne sigela phandle ayinuki ibhasi yo Hotel starting.
Hi guys, good morning. Guys, we are at Jeffrey's Bay. Ne? This is at Jeffrey's Bay. We've stopped for Ukama and get some refreshments. Alright guys, we are having the worst journey or ride ever, but I'll tell you all about it once I arrive. So sit together. Gqekeni.
What double six?
We are home. KFC. Ya mana kan? We have arrived. We are home safe. See, Fort Jackson. Shell garage right behind me. Oh, Andimbi. Oh. I can't wait to get home. The sun. Oh, Safiki. Oh, mama uyandiseka safana. Uthi kulaa mfana ufa kwakhe sekuzabe uyacota ukwenza into ngumfana isimoto. Ya, kumama uzawucela ngokhona uba uyithini. Sekuhle manje emdantsane. Minani. Uyahome. Ngene front. Usifani.
Let me give you kodwa kuthiwa yeyabantu
Yeah, we can groceries for tomorrow, which is Christmas. But now it's Christmas Eve and you can't even tell. It looks like it's just a normal day, shopping for Christmas and But yeah, guys, so I am my mother's camera lady. I film her. So if you are wondering who's behind the camera, it's me, y'all, okay? And she is paying me for camera lady thing. So yeah, she's paying me 5 rand, guys. Oh, 5 rand.
Yeyobamba sandla zakho zingaze ngithibilisi. Ngizothuthwa iyabhuncuka lapha
kaloku ayimtyibilisi.
ubhuncuka kwayo phaa ke ngoku yabetheka phantsi sekudla thu asifuni
Dabulcosi kuloo ndawo.
double cost makube cost
Iba yimalini ke lunga bubuthenga le brayi?
yi-210
Ayiduranga kodwa. Isabekwa le ntelo kanye yoduna.
yabekwa ukhalenye intwana ngomso kwakhala enye intwana
Kukho lo.
yawuphatha kokoko thixo umuntu wesizwe
Kuphucukiwe apha ifiber itsho qala
Beka nana ilitha ngoba kuvula layita sokuhamba uzobona nani ilitha bese ndiyalawula
That's best. Light enye. Vala kuwe ukuba uthanda ungavali. Uklinwe.
ndiyafaka ilitha so
Hey!
uzawunika bamntazi
Hey sana.
Guys, xa kuthiwa kulalwa e-Eastern Cape, this is exactly what they mean. Ndidinwe down. But I'm here to close off this day, this particular vlog. We arrived today in the afternoon, I think around 2 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. I'm so tired. I am so tired. I don't have a single energy in me to do anything right now. So we arrived at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Ibus here to delayed, of which that was fine. I understand. It's peak season, obviously these things will happen. But what I did not appreciate was the smell of urine in the bus. Guys, ihlelila more. Intercape when I catch you. And then we arrived and we went straight to shopping, Christmas shopping, last minute shopping. Uzoqonda some of the things we did not get. Sizawuphinda sivuke kusasa siphinde sibuyele and go and get izinto ezishodayo, maybe get them somewhere else. Let me just sleep off the day and then I'll see you tomorrow. It's Christmas. Guys, dim it down.